back, I'm Tedward, and welcome to the Honda Talon 1000R. Now, I didn't have time to make an intro when we drove this in Nashville, so I'm sitting here on a rainy day in my Civic Si. But Chris Amos, the Topher, and I got a chance to play with these on a makeshift off-road course at Nashville Super Speedway, and they were a blast. So here's the deal. This side-by-side has a 999cc liquid-cooled Unicam parallel twin. The suspension is really what makes it. However, it's also DCT, so you're working with a proper dual clutch transmission, and that makes all the difference, and it allows you to really exploit the power of this thing, and you don't feel like you're just driving some CBT or centrifugal clutch go-kart. You are ripping in this thing, and it'll go over 80 miles an hour. And you can certainly use and abuse these things and jump them like a maniac, because up front it has 17.7 inches of travel with its independent double wishbone. I love this thing. It costs like 20 grand. So for a toy that really can't do anything but play in the sand or in the snow or in the dirt, it's expensive. But if you're somebody who lives out of an RV in the summer and goes out to the desert or out, to the middle of nowhere in Michigan, this would be a welcome addition to the family. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.